One of the best things about living in Condado is just how much is right outside your door. We're driving through one of my favorite pockets of the neighborhood with its tree-lined streets, its sidewalks, and a walk score of 86, making this one of those places where you can easily leave the car at home. From 55 Taft, which is today's property tour, you're just a block and a half from Condado Beach in the Caribbean Sea, where you'll find people walking the beach, playing volleyball and beach tennis, or simply enjoying the sun. And in the other direction, you're only a half a block from Calle Loíza, one of San Juan's best dining corridors, which is filled with restaurants, cafes, bars, and neighborhood favorites. So you've got the beach in one direction, great food and nightlife in the other, and right in the middle of it all is 55 Taft. So let's go take a look inside. Welcome to Calle Taft. As we look northbound here, that's out about a block and a half to the turquoise Caribbean Sea, and half block the other way. That's Calle Loíza there at the corner. This is 55 Taft Tower. As you can see, the HOA has been doing their job. They basically have painted the outside, the inside, worked on the landscaping. Done a great job with that, so kudos to them. Make note, this is a no Airbnb property. There is a buzzer to get one through this first gate, as well as security getting to the front door, and a buzzer or beepers to get folks into the parking area. So again, this is looking good. Kudos to the HOA. They've done a great job with the rehab, the painting the outside. As you'll see, they've redone the inside. The outside here also had new landscaping done, so kudos to them. This is the front door to the building. So again, you've got a buzzer here to let folks in. The lobby area here, nicely designed, kept clean. Like most lobbies, has become a spot for box deliveries from Amazon, etc. From here, there's access to the elevators, which go up to each of the floors. And there's also doors on either side that go out to the parking. So we'll take a quick peek out here. And as you can see, there's ample parking all around the building, paved area, it's walled, and you have the security gates to get in and out on either side. So two elevators here. And let's take this up directly to the floor. And as we come into the unit, you're going to notice that just great light. This is a west-facing window, so there's lots of nice natural light coming into the main living room here. The mirrored walls that have been put in place here kind of enhance the light and the feeling of openness. This property with this owner, this was completely rehabbed before this owner bought it. And then this owner brought in their Miami-based interior designer to make some changes. The mirrored walls are one. There's new sliders here, as you can see, so that when they open up, it almost appears, you almost have like your own Juliet balcony that opens up and looks over Calle Taft. Over there, those buildings in the back, that's King's Court. Off to the right is the Caribbean Sea, Condado Beach, where everybody's hanging out, playing beach tennis and volleyball. Right in front, a couple of buildings that were rehabbed a couple years ago, and they now have little coffee shops and delis, which is a nice sort of business to have right outside your front door, which is right there. That's where we came in. That's the gate where we came in, and as you can see that's one of the two entrances to get to the parking area. So back inside, the kitchen is at the other end. That's the door we just came in on the right there. You can see the mirror just helps expand the light and create some openness. The kitchen basically becomes the heart of the apartment. You can see a space there for a refrigerator. You can see the nice cabinetry, the nice finishes. You can see the tiled backsplash. Really gives some nice continuity, sophistication, and cohesiveness to the whole property. There's the electric stove. And what's also nice is all of the hardware and the cabinets and whatnot have the soft close hardware. Something I'm noticing, everybody's been looking for that, whether it's in a bathroom, a kitchen, or bedroom. Everyone loves having the soft close hardware. Part of the work by the interior designer is painting all the walls and the ceilings. Very high quality. It's all Farrow and Ball paint. So you'll notice that as it continues into the bedroom here. You'll notice the custom blinds. So you can have blackout conditions here in the bedroom if you need. You see the AC unit there. And this window is north facing. Again, that's looking out back towards the north, towards the ocean. So you see the continuity, you see the kind of the cohesiveness of each of the rooms coming together, both with the color of the paint, the marble work on the floor. And this room sets up so you could probably do a queen against that wall on the right or behind us. You could put a bed in there. I don't know if it fit a king, but certainly a queen-size bed. In the bathroom here, we're going to notice that we have a tiled shower. There's the updated vanity. And there's also the frameless glass shower enclosure. So all very cosmopolitan, very refined. This apartment has been looked over last couple of owners by interior designers. So there's lots of thought going into the continuity and finishes here. Tile on the wall, tile on the floor, tile on the backsplash in the shower. And again, nice frameless glass shower enclosure with the door there. Stepping into the tiled shower and the nice hardware. So completely finished. This apartment really has just been completely finished. I think more time has been spent in here by interior designers than by someone actually using it and living in it. So it's almost as if it's a new construction. So this is the unit we have for sale, 1 bedroom, 1 bath at 55 Taft Tower. If you'd like to see it yourself, feel free to arrange a showing with us. Contact us through our website, ParaisoRealtyPR.com. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. If you want to see it, give us a shout and we'll arrange a showing for you. If perhaps it's not your cup of tea, feel free to share it with a friend that might want to see it. See you on the next tour.